Happy to see. I've learned a lot from you. What should we explore next? You, sent by you. Jeladima, queen of the scene, she's living the dream. Hair tutorials, cooking finesse, beauty and lifestyle, she got finesse. She flips her synthetic hair, so fly, human hair too. She's reaching for the sky, raw by delivery, no boundaries. Jeladima's got that double energy. Jeladima, she's got the rhythm, she's got the stamina. From the kitchen to the runway, she's shining bright, no need for sun rays. Jeladima, she's got the rhythm, she's got the stamina. From the kitchen to the runway, she's shining bright, no need for sun rays. In the kitchen spatula in hand, cooking up flavors from Nigeria's land. Jollof rice sizzles, aroma in the air. Jeladima's recipes beyond compare. She styles her hair, a work of art. Curly straight braids, she plays a part. Accessories gleam like stars at night. Jeladima's got the fashion light. Jeladima.